Hey, what's up, everyone? Are you thinking about making a big career change, but the idea of going back to school for years just doesn't sound like the right move? Well, I've got some exciting news for you. You don't need a degree or years of education to start a brand new career, especially if you're looking to get into tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can completely pivot your career in as little as 4 to 6 weeks and land a high paying job in the tech industry. No degree needed. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, keep watching. Changing careers can feel overwhelming. It's a huge decision, and if you're like many people, you might be thinking, I'm too old to start over or I don't have the qualifications. Sound familiar? You're not alone. I know many people feel the exact same way, and here's the thing. Making a career change doesn't have to mean going back to school for years, racking up student debt, or losing years of your life. You don't have to follow the traditional path. In fact, you can break into a whole new career in tech in a fraction of the time. Here's the exciting part. The tech industry is booming and companies are hiring people like you right now. And the best part? You don't need a fancy degree to get started. The industry is full of remote positions that pay $60,000 plus starting salaries, and guess what? You can learn everything you need in just 4 to 6 weeks. We're talking about jobs in IT, tech sales, digital marketing, and more, all of which are in high demand and offer great pay, flexibility, and growth potential. This is your opportunity to pivot into a high-paying career without going back to school and accumulating debt. So, how does this all work? Well, there's an online program that's designed to help you transition into the tech industry quickly and effectively. It's self-paced, so you can learn at your own speed, from the comfort of your home. The best part? You don't need any prior experience in tech. By the end of this program, you'll have the skills and confidence to land your first tech job. The training focuses on real-world skills in IT support, tech sales, and digital marketing. And guess what? You'll even get job placement support to help you land your first remote job once you've completed the course. And the salary? 60,000 plus to start. People just like you have successfully transitioned to the tech industry, and you can do it too. It's all about making the decision and taking that first step. And remember, the best time to start was yesterday, but the second best time is now. So, if you're tired of feeling stuck, tired of the idea of going back to school, and you're ready for a career that offers better pay, more flexibility, and endless growth potential, it's time to take action. You can get started today. Click the link in the description to learn more and start your journey to a new career in tech. It's time to make the change you've been waiting for. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll personally help you out. Don't let anything hold you back from your dream career. Let's make it happen together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this helpful. Share it with someone who might be looking to make a career change too. And as always, remember, you're never too late to start something new.